Wow. Welcome back. And today we're going to continue with the articulation of the various products that we have built under Spiking, which is a fintech as well as an edtech company. Now, thank you for those of you who are joining us right here today on the live session. And today I'm going to kind of start off by exciting you with all the really crazy winning trades since Thanksgiving came about last week. And consecutively, we have been posting regular winning trades. So here we go. So I'm right here in our very privileged community. You can also join us at community.spiking.com. And once you are inside there, there's this place called the Winning Trades. Under World Championship, wow, look at this. Winning Trades, worldchampionship.com, all right? So these were the trades done every single day since yesterday. So for example, Microsoft made about $2,870 in one day, zero to hero. LT made about $55 profit. And this is like $121 profit. And this is about $2,000 profit. Nicholas made about 3.5%. Really nice game right here. And then we go on down. Jerica made about 14.7% on the options, really gorgeous. Lily did about 18.3% on Apple. Nice trade. I made about US $9,430, 20% in one day on zero to hero. Now, as I was going through all these winning trades, it's kind of a mind-boggling for some of you. You'll be wondering like, wow, teacher, how the heck you guys keep delivering all these kind of crazy profits each and every single day? Now, the keyword is data. You need very powerful data. Insider trading data, standing on the shoulders of giants data. You need the sovereign wealth fund data. You need the billionaires data. You need the BlackRock, State Street, Vanguard data. You need the key executive, CEO, CFO, CEO, CLO, CTO, CIO, all these key executives data. We have all of them right here at Spiking. So that's the reason why I want to excite you like, oh my gosh, Jerica did about 119.5%. Profits on options on Moderna in the midst of the battle against Omicron. And that's the reason why it's so important, you got to stick close to us at our community.spiking.com, right? Give a big shout out to our community. Kitty did about 8.24%. In 2 days, IMGO. Elena did about 24% on TSM. And Manfred did Apple 67% in one day. Really gorgeous. Kitty did about 6.18% in Fate. I can go through all this all night long, but you guys gonna go really crazy, right? So, what is the process? And what we've done is, we got very advanced analytics right down to the much simpler product that we built for the community, for those of you who just want to get started and, kind of get acquainted with all these really big companies out there supported by insider trading. So I'm going to lead you to the right place, and the right place is found right here. All right. So first thing is I want to invite all of you to join me at this place called community.spiking.com. So here we go. This is the place to join us. You just simply visit on the link community.spiking.com. You come to this place. We call it the Spiking Wealth Community. All right. So I'm going to lead you to the very unique part called the robots. So I'm going to go right here on the top, the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and then it is found right here in our courses. All right, so found right here in our courses. So just go and click on courses, click on it. And of course, we provide a wide array of courses for beginners, intermediate to advanced to full-time investors. All right, so I'm going to lead you to the course, the very course that I want to encourage all of you to take part on, and that is our brand new daily robot, what we call the Daily Robot New. And the Daily Robot will show you the top 3 stocks from our daily bread. This is our flagship product right here. Now on this flagship product right here, the Daily Robot is really just make it so affordable to you. It's only like $1 per day. Oh my gosh! It's only for $1 per day. And this is a special sale price because the original retail price is US $1,095 per year. And right now we going to make it so affordable to you. It's only like $1 per day. All right. So go to the YouTube link right there. And can you please post it on the YouTube link right there? And so that those of you who want to sign up, you can quickly subscribe to it. Okay. So I'm going to click on it right now. And you'll be shocked about the quality of our robots. All right. So this is as of yesterday, 1st of December. All right. And you kind of see the image is a little bit shaded because you have not clicked on the image yet. So I'm going to click on this image and just going to zoom in a little bit more. This is what our robot sends out every day to you, and you become a subscriber of our daily robot. All right. Now what we do is every day we look at the best 3 companies that you should be looking at. That's it. Out of over 10,000 stocks out there, oh my gosh, we just really filter it down to the best 3 candidates. Now, among these best 3 candidates, your decision is a very simple one. You just have to decide which one you want to play. That's it. 1 out of 3. Right? Sometimes, our students play all 3 of them. Sometimes they just play 1 of them. Sometimes they play 2 of them. But if you just get started, right, just based on a very simple decision process, which I'm going to teach you right now, select 1 out of the best 3. All right. So you must remember, this 3 came about from 10,000 stocks out there in the market, and we just literally pushed our algorithm through to give you the best 3. So here we go. We are looking at 3 companies: Snowflake, CrowdStrike, and Stellantis. Right? How do you make a decision like, hey teacher, which one to select? Now for me, I'm really practical. I want to invest in the stock where insiders are pouring down, raining down money like crazy. Now because if they put down money onto the stock, there is only one reason when somebody buys stock. They expect the stock price to go up. All right. But if somebody is selling stock, the problem is there are too many reasons to kind of figure out why the heck he's selling the stock. Now, he could be selling the stock because the wife needs to buy a house, the children needs to go to college, he needs to buy a boat, many reasons. You can never understand, or even like portfolio balancing, like recently, as of yesterday, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, they were selling stocks like crazy. To do what? Minimize their tax implication. Now, for the super rich, they have a different consideration. Now, does it mean Elon Musk sell the stock of Tesla means Tesla is going down? No, come on. So that's the reason why I'm here to train you guys out there who are untrained. You think that somebody sell means the company is condemned, bankrupt, or fraudulent? Please, no. Everybody got their own reasons for selling. And you can't really, cut out the brain and say, hey, tell me why you are selling this stock today. You can't do that. But when somebody buys a stock, there's only one reason. Stock price shall go up. All right? So we kind of deal with that first. And then I'm going to show you how crazy our data is, right? First of all, we really love this metric called the Universe Net Q3 2021 stock purchase. This is a very important metric. I call it the mother of all metrics. Simply put, you don't have to go through the pain of fundamental analysis, like study 300 over financial metrics, because whatever metrics that you're looking at, somehow at the end of the day, right after you completed your due diligence, what would you do? You put your money down on the table to buy the damn thing, right? So this is the final step of every analyst, tacticians, investor, sovereign wealth funds, billionaires, whatever not. The final step, they put money down, and we're showing you. Snow has a net purchase of 5.2 billion. Now, they are buying and selling. I'm talking about the universe of insiders. Some are buying, some are selling, right? Goes up and down. But the moment we take a net effect and say, hey, the net 5.2 billion, that is the confidence. So you can see this is a very powerful metric, because I'm going to highlight to you right here. I mean, for Snow itself is 5.2 billion. CrowdStrike, 20% of that, 1.2 billion. How about Stellantis? Oi, 20% of that, 1.1 billion. So straight away, you know that when you look at something like this guy is out, this guy is out. That's it! How difficult can this be? Because you just compare 5.2 versus 1.2 versus 1.1. That's it. Are you with me? So I want you to know investing is not complicated. It is made complicated, and the complications came about by people who don't understand the market. That's the reason why they got north, south, east, west, got dragon, got phoenix, got smoke screen, whatever not. Come on. End of the day, whoever puts money down on the table, that's the guy who done his diligence. All right. So this is the first part. We also show you a second important metric, universe net call put, because some of the traders could be hiding their trades in the options market. Now, for example, if I zoom down to CrowdStrike right here, this box, all right, I'm going to zoom down to this box right here. And you can see that, oh my gosh, for CrowdStrike, looks like the stock is damn good. 1.2 billion net purchase, but there's something wrong with the options market. Now, these are telltale signs to you. Why are they betting the stock price will go down? Because they are putting more money down on the puts. That's the reason why we show you a red arrow pointing down, negative 380 million. And they are more bearish about the stock than being bullish about it. That means to say they expect the stock price to go down. So up there, 1.2 billion, those who buy the pure stocks, they believe it will go up. But in the options market, they believe it goes down. So you got a divergent view right now. So anything that kind of make you uncomfortable and something that you cannot break through in your thinking, walk away. Again, walk away. Because you cannot complete the full investigation until they announce the results. That's the reason why investing is a game of analysis. It's a game of connecting the dots. It is a game of epiphany. You got it, you make money. But if you are always depending on someone else, based on rumor mongering, whatever conversation you hear in your Grab or Uber, that's it. You're not going to make money, all right? Because by then you're receiving end. You're the last guy to hear about the information. You need to be the first guy. So, right over here, of course, I can also go down to Stellantis right below, and you can see for Stellantis, it's like 1.1 billion on the stock purchase, but options 11.9 million. So if we kind of look at these three guys right now, come on, it is so simple. But the process, by the process of elimination, you simply base over time, your experience and your intuition, you will know what to look at. Now, if I give you these three candidates right now, straight away I say, Pa, this guy is a no-no. Pa, this guy is a no-no. This guy is a good tick here and a good tick there. Because stocks and options is like almost textbook style. Perfect example. Pa, the guy is, everybody puts money into this guy. All right? Now, then the next part here. Teacher, why do you show us 5 rockets here? What's the meaning of recent spikes? It simply means that in all the recent events, and we are all looking for like trigger events, could be a merger acquisition, stock split, index addition, stock buyback, earnings, FDA approvals, merger acquisition, strategic alliances. All this news, we want to know, did it result in the stock price spiking up? All right. So we track all the recent spikes, whether it's spiking up or down. And out of the 5 recent news, this guy has spiked up 5 times. That means to say the business has reached to a growth trajectory that it just want to keep going up. Now this is what we call stocks on the momentum, hot on fire, fast and furious. They want to spike up. And that's what you want to look at. So right over here, right? So for example, you know, Snowflake, you got 5 rockets. CrowdStrike, you got 5 rockets. And then Stellantis only got 3 rockets. Straight away, just looking at this, CrowdStrike is out. Very simple. CrowdStrike is out. All right, you kind of process of elimination, strike it out. But right now, you're looking at these two. Oh, looks like the same, but we already done the most important part, right? The more money is coming to Snowflake. Then, of course, we also put this button here to tell you, can you play options with this particular company, all right? So most of the liquid stocks, they are already optionable. So this is another branch of course that I'm teaching on options trading. How can you make 10 times more profits with the same amount of risk? All right, so this is really, really exciting. So on this note, we kind of covered this part of the image. We covered half already. Now, then I look on the other side, the other part, all right? So, you see, teacher, wow, you mean you don't even look at the company name? Yeah, I don't look at the company name. I only look at money. And that's the reason why sometimes, I see the kind of posts people make on Facebook. They are wasting their bloody time. You're looking at all the wrong stuff. You should only be looking at where the money is moving to today. Done. One thing, get it right. The foundation of all things. Follow the trail of the money. Because the guy who put down the money, they already done through the thinking. He has already done his thinking. The technical word for that is called completed his due diligence, DD. All right. Now and only now, I come and look on the left-hand side. Right? Very simple. So the potential candidate right now, I'm looking at either Snowflake or CrowdStrike. And of course, this is really, really mind-boggling because I'm going to come here and show you what is the kind of data that we are presenting to you right here. Really, really exciting stuff right here. First of all, on the top left-hand corner, you can see 1st of December. If we show you 1st of December, it simply means to tell you that is the day you should play it. No other second guessing, all right? We built it so simple and idiot-proof already. So 1st December means that is a stock you should play 1st December during the trading hours. 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so we tackle the date top left-hand corner. Then followed by the beautiful company logo. This guy is a blue logo. And of course the name Snowflake Incorporated Class A shares. And then the second row is SNOW, S-N-O-W, N-Y-S-E. That is the ticker symbol. So I want to show you right here. This is the ticker symbol of the company. All right, so when you place your trades on the brokerage house, you have to type in S-N-O-W. Then right here, you have 1 billion. Now we kind of categorize companies into either you are a 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, in intervals increment of 0. All right, so we know this guy is in the 1 billion category range of a market cap. All right, so between CrowdStrike and SNOW, they are both in the 1 billion range of a market cap. Then I don't really need to know exactly what is the real market cap. This is another thing that dumbfounded me. I talk to my friends, the analysts. The first question they ask, oh, what's the company's market cap? And I'll always retort back to them, so what if you know? So what if you know the company's market cap? Is that a decision that will propel you to buy the stock right now or sell the stock right now? I ask back. They say, oh no, we are trained to look at the market cap. I say, for what? My question always back to them, for what? Which part of this data helps you in your decision-making process? I queried them. They couldn't answer, right? Even the company is big or small, I'm telling you the biggest company right now, Apple, 2 trillion market cap, would you buy? Would you buy the stock right now? Because at the point of buying, the devils will kind of attack you. Oh, it's overpriced, overvaluation. Oh, they cannot sell more phones. Oh, the car is a big question mark. Oh, blah, 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 blah. You're still stuck. Honestly, you're still stuck with whether should I go in to buy. So ask the right questions. And we just have to tell you it's around the 1 billion range of market cap. That's about it. And we're not asking you to ask the right question. We tell you, we show you the right information. That's how beautiful this product is, all right? 1 billion. And then we have a 9.9. This is like a proprietary rating score. Perfect score is 10. This guy is 9.9. CrowdStrike is 9.6. Stellantis 6.9. Straight away, you can also eliminate the 3 candidates based on our rating score. But this is not the highest weightage. Even though we built a proprietary rating score right here, I'm telling you right now, it is not our highest weightage of consideration. All right, so I'm going to put it back right here. Boom. All right, it's not the highest weightage. It just gives us kind of know how to compare the apples and apples and oranges and oranges. That's about it. Again, the real thing is what? Who put money down? Not the guy who talk louder, not the guy who can talk more beautifully or whatever. No, who puts the money down? And then we also have a 46% here. How come this is 46%, this is 88%, and this 11%? Now this is basically tell you the performance, right? The past performance is done pretty well at 46%. Now again, this one has no meaning to you. But we just put it out there. We teach all our students, you can generally look across it. That's about it. It's not going to be the decisive factor. The decisive factor we already map out for you right here, mama. This is the decisive factor. All right? And then, of course, we have a call put ratio right here. Call 0, put 0, call 0, put 0, call 0, put 0. This is just to tell you, are there any liquid contracts that come more than 10,000 in the open interest? Hey, teacher, what is that meaning of open interest? It's a very big word. Oh yes, it's a very big word so that I look like damn authoritative, right? Please, nonsense. It's not going to change your decision, all right? That's nonsense. It's just to tell you, are there particular contracts that we need to be aware of that's got more than 10,000 open interest? Means all the traders are betting on a particular expiration date combined with a particular strike price. That combination of the contract is the one you should pay attention to if you want to trade options. But it's not a decisive factor. All right? And finally, we even tell you this thing. Wow! Buy before the earnings. And when is the earnings? We even tell you 1st December after the market closed, which was Singapore time this morning, all right? So we closed the market at 5 a.m. Singapore time, which is on the 1st December, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York, Eastern Time. And then this is buy before earnings. This one is buy before earnings again. This is buy before earnings. So we kind of covered everything already. But of course, you know, some of you want to just get started, get acquainted with our products. This is a really low-hanging fruit to begin with. It's only like $1 per day right now because of our special sales, kind of reaching out to as many traders out there as possible. But you know, our retail price is at $1,095 per year. But because right now we are making it a very special offering for those of you who want to get acquainted with stocks on a kind of a get-to-know basis, then it's just only $1 per day. It is so simple. So the link is found right there below on the live chat, and we'll also put it out somewhere. I don't know where they're going to put it out. Okay, so based on this trade, what is your decision? Why don't you guys type out for me, what is your decision? Type it out on the live chat right there. Can I see your decision? Type it out on live chat right there. I give you 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, I see some of the answers coming in. Well done. It's kind of an idiot proof, right? So, how do we know the answers? Which is the correct answer? Very simple, all right? I'm going to show you the results of your decision. And congratulations to those of you who selected Snow. Let's take a look at what is going to happen in today's opening bell. Here we go. You went in Dubai on 1st of December. That was yesterday, Singapore time. All right, and of course, US Eastern time. And guess what? Right? The stock price closes at $311 right here. All right? And let me show you what's going to happen today when the opening bell. I'm going to come here and click on the 5-day range. Click on it. Tong! And here we go, mama. You bought at $310. Today you can sell at $360. Let me take out my calculator right now. 360 minus 310. Your profit per share is $50. Divided by 310, your cost. You have made 16% profit return in 1 day. Mama. So let me type out for you so that you understand what the heck we are talking about right here. This is like 16% profit in 1 day. Dun dun dun. Wow, meet multiple exclamation mark. And you know what? I'm just going to remove this guy, get rid of this guy, and let me just draw again. That's like go in to buy, oh my gosh, go in to buy 310, get out to sell at 360. That's 16% profit return, 1 day only. This is how you make money in the market. Now, of course, many of you are untrained. You are thinking the traditional mode, oh, I just want to make like 16% in 1 year. Hey, let me tell you, most bankers out there can't even deliver 16% return for you in 1 year. We just did it in 1 day. And that is what we call our daily robot. Very simple. Every day you come in, select the best candidate out of the tree, and you know what? Every single day we're going to send you all this best selection right up here, mama. Every single day. So this is how powerful it is. You know, every single day we kind of send you all the best ideas right out here, right? Every single day. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm sure you're really, really excited. So I want to encourage you to do 3 simple things. Number 1, if you think this is something exciting and you want to get started, simply click on the link to kind of get started at $1 per day. Now that's the best way. And I'm calling out to those of you who already traded in the market. You've gone through all the dark sides. From the traditional fundamental analysis to the traditional technical analysis to whatever rumor analysis that you're thinking about. It boils down to one thing. Where is the hot money? And I present to you our daily robot. This is where the hot money is. Come, get acquainted with us. Step 1, $1 per day. Nothing much, all right? In fact, in one trade, you can easily make that back. Now, how the heck I know in one trade you can easily make that back? I mean, you come and, let me invite you, mama. Let me invite you to the place where we are hosting all of our beautiful winning trades, all right? So let's take a look at all our beautiful winning trades and kind of give you a feel the kind of profit range you should be making out there. I mean, we have a few $1,000s profit in 1 day, like 9,000, 6,000. And of course, everybody is different. This student just make about how much? Oh my gosh, $4,150, 11% in 16 days. That's about it, all right? So you can definitely recover whatever you put in, like $1 per day. And if you are scrambling about that, oh my gosh, I do not know how to help you already, right? I mean, this is like $198 in 1 day, kind of a different trades right here. So you can come into a community.spiking.com, take a look at that. So number 1, go and get acquainted with our robot, $1 per day. Very simple. Number 2, now if you feel that, oh, teacher, I'm interested, but I want to know and learn the proper way of mastering this art of investing, I invite you to join my masterclass. In fact, tonight is my last masterclass of the year, all right, Thursday and Friday. And quickly reach out to us, info@spiking.com, if you want to join our masterclass, which is starting at 7 p.m. That's like 5, 6, 7, 3 hours from now. This will be my last masterclass of the year, all right? Or number 3, very simple. I mean, you can just simply join me at community.spiking.com. Go to this link here, community.spiking.com, and get acquainted with our people. And you know, kind of you're going to see my sharing almost every single day. I share like about 10 to 20 times per day. So it's all about the stock market, about investing, about building your generational wealth. I invite you to join us, all right? So I kind of done on this introduction to the world of our daily bread robot. Very, very exciting product. So easy to get started with. And I hope to see you in our community really, really soon. Thank you for joining us today, and God bless you. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.